Welcome to Extreme Web Designs, and my name is Rocky. In this video, we will see how to restore a system restore point in Windows 10. So once you are on the desktop, simply click on the Start menu icon or tap the Windows key on your keyboard and type in the words System Restore. And click on the first option that says Create a Restore Point. And in the pop-up that shows up, click on the button that says System Restore. And it's going to show another dialog box. Click on the next button. This is one of our previous restore point that we created earlier. So now, if I want to revert back to this restore point, I can simply select this option and say Next. And then it's going to ask to confirm the restore point. So if you feel that this is the restore point that you would like to revert back to, simply go ahead and finish the operation by clicking on the Finish button over here. But before you do that, let me tell you that it takes anywhere from 30 minutes to 1 hour or even more for restoring a restore point. This time can vary depending upon the number of changes that the system needs to do. And on an average, I have seen that it takes anywhere from 30 minutes to 45 minutes to perform our system restore. So if you feel that this is not the proper restore point, you can simply go back and select the one that you feel is the right one. As you might have noticed by now, the restore points are listed in the descending order, which means the most recent one is at the top, followed by the less recent ones. So which means the oldest restore point is at the bottom of the list. So if you would like to see the programs that will be affected by the restore point, you can simply select a restore point and then click on this button that says Scan for affected programs, and it will start scanning and it will show you the programs that will be affected by the restore. So this is going to take a bit of time, so I'm not going to do this, but you can try it out if you want to. I'm just going to go ahead and cancel it. Close this out. And yeah, basically that's about it, guys. So if you would like to restore, pick the restore point that you would like to restore and then simply click Next and then simply click the Finish button. And make sure that you do not interrupt the computer, and make sure that you have connected your laptop or your computer to the power supply and leave it on, because the system is going to restart and you cannot disturb the process. If you do so, you will risk damaging your computer or your laptop. So just make sure that you will have uninterrupted power supply and you are at a place wherein you will not be disturbed up until the point of time that your restore completes. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. I'm going to click on OK. So that's basically it, guys. So that's how you restore a system restore point in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please feel free to hit the like button, leave a comment, share it on social media, and subscribe to the channel. Soon after you subscribe, make sure you tap the bell icon located right next to the subscribe button to receive all future updates. Thanks for watching.